Welcome, fellow explorers of the human heart, to a journey into the intricate world of modern relationships in 2026. Have you ever felt like you're navigating a labyrinth without a map? One moment, you're connecting deeply, the next, you're ghosted, left wondering what went wrong. The landscape of love has shifted dramatically. Gone are the days of clear courtship rituals. Today, we grapple with situationships, the paradox of choice on dating apps, and communication breakdowns amplified by screens. It's a world where emotional unavailability seems rampant, and the quest for genuine connection can feel like an uphill battle. But what if there was a powerful lens through which we could understand all this chaos? What if the key to unlocking healthier, more fulfilling relationships wasn't about mastering dating app algorithms, but about understanding something far more fundamental within ourselves and others? That key, my friends, is attachment theory. It's not a new concept, but its relevance in the current digital and social climate is more profound than ever. Join me as we revisit this timeless psychological framework and apply it to the unique challenges and opportunities of modern love. Before we dive into the complexities of 2026 relationships, let's quickly revisit the foundational concepts of attachment theory. Developed by John Bowlby and Mary Ainsworth, it suggests that our earliest experiences with caregivers shape an internal working model of how relationships should function. This blueprint dictates our expectations, behaviors, and emotional responses in adult partnerships. There are four primary attachment styles. First, secure attachment. Individuals with this style typically had caregivers who were consistently responsive. As adults, they are comfortable with intimacy and independence, trust easily, and communicate needs effectively. They're the emotional anchors. Then we have the insecure styles. Anxious attachment. Often stemming from inconsistent care, these individuals crave intimacy, fear abandonment, and can be preoccupied with their partner's availability. They might seek constant reassurance. Next, avoidant attachment. Usually a result of consistently unresponsive or dismissive care, these individuals value independence above all else, often suppressing emotions and struggling with intimacy. They might pull away when things get too close. Finally, disorganized attachment. The most complex, often linked to traumatic or frightening early experiences, leading to a push-pull dynamic, fear of intimacy, and difficulty regulating emotions. They desire closeness, but also fear it. Understanding Now, let's overlay these attachment styles onto the current dating landscape. Dating apps, while offering unprecedented access to potential partners, also create unique challenges. For the anxiously attached, the constant influx of profiles can fuel comparison and a desperate search for validation. Every unreturned message, every slow reply can trigger deep-seated fears of abandonment. They might double text or overanalyze. For the avoidantly attached, apps can be a perfect playground. They offer a sense of control, allowing them to engage or disengage at will, keeping emotional distance through screens. The sheer volume of options can also reinforce their reluctance to commit, always feeling like there might be someone better around the corner. And then there are situationships, those undefined, ambiguous connections that are neither fully committed relationships nor casual encounters. These are breeding grounds for insecure attachment. Anxiously attached individuals might stay, hoping to earn commitment, while avoidants thrive in the lack of definition, enjoying the benefits of a relationship without the responsibilities. Digital communication, with its inherent lack of nonverbal cues, only exacerbates misinterpretations and emotional disconnects, making it harder to truly gauge a person's intentions or feelings. One of the most concerning trends in modern relationships, often magnified by insecure attachment, is the prevalence of trauma bonds and emotional unavailability. A trauma bond isn't about mutual trauma. It's a dysfunctional attachment that forms in cycles of abuse, where intermittent reinforcement, periods of intense affection followed by devaluation or neglect, creates a powerful, addictive loop. The hope for the good times keeps individuals tethered to unhealthy dynamics, often unknowingly. Anxiously attached individuals are particularly susceptible, as their fear of abandonment can be exploited in these cycles. Emotional unavailability, on the other hand, describes individuals who struggle to connect deeply, share vulnerability, or commit fully. This often stems from an avoidant attachment style, where intimacy feels threatening. In 2026, with the ease of disengagement offered by digital platforms, emotionally unavailable partners can easily breadcrumbing, giving just enough attention to keep someone interested without ever truly investing. Recognizing these patterns, both in ourselves and others, is crucial for breaking free from cycles of pain and pursuing healthier connections.
So, how do we navigate this complex landscape and cultivate secure attachment in 2026? It starts with self-awareness. Reflect on your own attachment style. What triggers your insecurities? How do you react when you feel threatened in a relationship? Understanding your patterns is the first step towards changing them. Next, focus on self-regulation. Learn to soothe your own anxieties rather than relying solely on a partner. Practice mindfulness, journaling, or therapy to process emotions. For the anxiously attached, this means building self-worth independent of external validation. For the avoidant, it means learning to tolerate vulnerability and lean into discomfort. Healthy communication is paramount. Express your needs clearly and respectfully. Set boundaries. If a situationship isn't serving you, articulate your desire for clarity or move on. Seek partners who are emotionally available and demonstrate consistent behavior. Remember, secure attachment isn't about being perfect. It's about a consistent commitment to growth, empathy, and mutual respect.
As we conclude our exploration, remember this: while modern love presents unique challenges, it also offers unparalleled opportunities for growth and authentic connection. The digital age has illuminated our attachment patterns more starkly than ever, giving us a clearer view of what we need to work on. By understanding attachment theory, by recognizing our own emotional blueprints and those of others, we gain the power to rewrite our relationship narratives. We can choose to break free from cycles of insecurity, to heal old wounds, and to intentionally build connections based on security, trust, and genuine intimacy. In 2026, the pursuit of love isn't just about finding the right person, it's about becoming the right person, a secure, self-aware individual capable of giving and receiving love in its most authentic form. The journey might be challenging, but the destination of true connection is profoundly worth it.